Just wanted to show a new product that I put together for the guys running Meritors, wanting to weld up their side gears in order to get a full spool out of their differential. There isn't a lot available on the market for aftermarket drop-in spools yet, so the only option is just to kind of weld things up. The issue that I've found is that there's a lot of slop in these side gears, and I've seen this a lot with the 2.5 tons, whereas if you just weld these up, what happens is the gears can either kick sideways or they get pushed offset and they don't run concentric to the carrier. And what that does is I've seen it crack through here, split the side gear, and I've also seen it cause a lot of axle shaft failures where they'll just snap off at the splines because the shaft isn't just twisting, it's also moving back and forth. What I've got here is a little spacer. So what it does is it just presses onto your side gear, drop it into your carrier. It's a nice snug fit. Doesn't move back and forth anymore. Clamp this down, tack it on, and your welder up, and you're good to go.